So in this video, I'm going to give a quick roundup of the best offers for switching bank accounts at the moment. And it's a good way for getting a bonus for moving bank accounts. A lot of people use multiple deals over time to get that extra money. Now, there are things you need to bear in mind. When you make the switch of your current account using the CASS service, so the CAS service, which stands for the current account switching service, then consumers are able to switch bank accounts and they can choose the date on which they want to transfer their existing account to the new one, and the whole process will not take more than 7 days. The issue is it will close your old bank account. So if you have a bank account that you've had for ages, that is positive for your credit report. So do bear in mind, if you close an old bank account, then it is technically a negative for your credit report. Won't necessarily mean you won't get credit or lent to, but the longer you have a bank account, the better for your credit report. Now, when you actually make the transfer, it happens automatically. Then direct debits and standing orders on your old account will be transferred across to your new account, as well as any payments sent to the old account for a period of 13 months. Don't worry if you decide to take advantage of one of these offers mentioned in the video, then it will guarantee that you'll be still receiving any money that's paid into the old account for that period of up to 13 months. And it would also make sure if any payments are missed from your account, they will guarantee to reimburse you in full. Now, this video, before I start with the first offer, is embedded in an article on the Money to Masses website, which we update regularly with all the best offers when it comes to switching bank accounts. Now, if you're watching this from the Money to Masses website, then you can obviously see the article, which we update regularly, but we will be updating this video, if you're watching this directly on YouTube, every month. So make sure that you click on the link in the comments below this video or the on-screen link, and you will be taken to the article on the Money to the Masses website, which we update regularly. Right. What are the best offers right now? First up, there is the NatWest switching offer, where you can get £175. Now, it's the reward current account where you can earn 1% in rewards as cashback, gift cards or e-cards, but accounts come with a £2 monthly fee. Now, you can earn additional rewards for having at least 2 direct debits and 1 mobile app login. Now, eligibility is for new and existing customers. There is a minimum payment in each month of £1,250. As I go through this video, do be aware of the T's and C's. Always check the T's and C's of any offer that you see, because if you don't fulfill the T's and C's, then you won't get the offer. Now, with this account, there is a £2 monthly fee. So in summary, you must pay in the minimum amount and use the mobile banking app by the 16th of December to get money paid into your account by the 12th of January 2023. And the offer ends on the 3rd of November at 5 p.m. Now, RBS and Ulster, which are all part of the same group, also have a £175 switching offer, but this does expire on the 20th of October. Next up is Nationwide, where you can get £200 for switching using the CAS service, and the account that you will switch to is Flex Plus, Flex Direct, or the Flex account. Now, eligibility, anyone that switches from a non-Nationwide current account can take advantage of the offer, and if you switch to Nationwide since the 18th of August 2021, you are not eligible for the offer. Now, in terms of minimum payment amounts to put into the account, there aren't any actually in order to qualify for the offer, but there is a minimum of £1,000 to qualify for the interest, which is 5% for 12 months on balances up to £1,500. Now, some final points: you must complete the switch within 60 days of requesting via CAS, and you must switch over at least 2 direct debits to the new account, and there is no monthly fee. Now, next up, First Direct, you can get £175 to switch, or £20 just for opening an account. Now, the account name is the First Account. In terms of eligibility, then if you're already a First Direct customer, you can't take advantage of it. If you're a HSBC customer, but your account was open before January 2019, then you can in fact take advantage of the First Direct offer. Now, there are payment requirements to qualify. You have to pay £1,000 within 3 months of opening the account, and of course you have to complete the switch via CAS. Now, the First Direct account doesn't have a monthly fee, which is good news, but you then get access to an interest-free overdraft of £250, and you can also access the First Direct regular saver, which gives a 3.5 5% AER. Now that moves us on to Lloyds Bank, where you can get £150 to switch. Now you need to watch out because this is a paid for account, and there are two types of account. It can get a little bit confusing. So first up, the account name is the Club Lloyds account or the Club Lloyds Platinum account, which you need to switch to. Now anyone can take advantage of this offer as long as they switch to the two named accounts that I mentioned, but also as long as they've not taken advantage of any cashback switching offer since April 2020. Now there are minimums with these accounts, so you will have to pay in £1,500 or you will be charged a fee of £3 a month. Now that's with the Club Lloyds account, and it is waived if you deposit at least £1,500 a month. The Club Lloyds Platinum account, there is a £24 monthly fee, but £3 is knocked off if you deposit at least £1,500 a month. So that fee goes down to £21 a month. Confusing, I know, but it's up to you to decide whether it's actually worth the switching offer if you're going to go for the account with a higher fee. Now, as ever, this switch has to be done via cash, but you need to do it before the 14th of November, and the bonus is paid 10 days from the switch. And you can technically switch from an existing Lloyds account. Now, in terms of rewards, there are yearly benefits, which can include things like cinema tickets or magazine subscriptions. Look at the article for more details. In addition to that, there is a 3-month interest-free overdraft when you switch. Club Lloyds Platinum also includes package bank account features, which are things like travel, phone, insurance, including breakdown cover as well. And you can earn interest on balances up to 5k when you pay out 2 direct debits a month. That's for both Club Lloyds accounts. So the offer, don't forget, ends on the 14th of November. So I've run through all of those. If you found that useful, click on the like button. Also, do make sure you go and click on the link to the actual article that this came from, because we update that regularly, as I mentioned. If you subscribe to the channel as well, as soon as we get new offers and we do a new video, you will be notified.